Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to share with you the next way how you can trade forex from India. So it is through prop firms. So there are many prop firms, but the one I personally use is Funding Bips. So basically the prop firm provide you some funds, and then they give you challenge, and if you pass those challenges you will get the funding account. So let's see the rules of these challenges. So here is the website of Funding Pips. You can click the link in my description and you can open an account here, and also you will get a 5% discount if you open the account with my link. So yeah, let's see the condition. So basically in Funding Pips, there are different types of account. That means 5k account, 10k account, 25k account, 50k account, and 100k account. So in all the accounts, the rules are same. So let's see the rules. So there are no limitation of the trading period, and also there are no minimum trading days. The maximum daily loss is 5% in student phase and in practitioner phase also. So that means in one day you can only lose 5% of your capital. That means if you have a 5k account, then you can only lose up to $250 daily, and the maximum drawdown of your account is 10%. That means in your capital you can have a maximum drawdown of 10%. That means $500 in the case of 5k account. And the next is the profit target. So in the student phase, the profit target is 8% of your account. 8%, that means if there is a 5k account, the 8% is around $400 to $450. And in the practitioner phase, it's 5%, that means $250. So when you pass the student phase, you will get to the practitioner phase, and after you qualify both the rounds, you will get the live account, and from there you can trade. So it's basically the payout system is when you have profits, the 80% of the profit goes to you and the 20% of it goes to the prop firm. So and this is the profit split of the company. So let me show you how after you buy the challenge. Oh, let me first show you the price of all the challenges. So for a 5k account, it's $32, means you have to pay $32, and then you can get the account. And if you pass both stages, then you will get a live account of 5k. And also if you have managed to take out the fourth payout, the fees will also be refunded to you. That means $32 will refund in your fourth payout. So yeah, the 10k account price is $60. The 25k account price is $139. 50k account is $239, and lastly the 100k account is $399. So if you click the link in my description and you will open an account, from that you will get 5% discount on whatever account you will pick. So let me show you how it looks after you buy a challenge. So here is my personal, let it open. Yeah, so here is my personal Funding Pip account, and you can see over here this was the student phase I had passed, and I have made a video on passing both phase, so you can see for more clarity. So like that, here you can see the student phase. So I passed the student phase. I took 39 trade, and in 11 days I passed the student phase. So here you can see two options, that means credentials and dashboard. So in the credential section you will get your credentials of the account, from where you can access your charting software, and from here is the credentials. And in the dashboard section you can see all the account details. Let me show you my dashboard section of the student's account. Yeah, it is the dashboard section of my student's account. So here you can see that it is a 5k account, and the profit target was $400, and I have completed it. As you can see over here, my total equity in the student phase is $5,449. That means 8.99%. So yeah, these all are my stats and profit and loss. So now let me show you the practitioner phase. So in practitioner phase I only took 2 trades to complete it, and only 2 days also. So let me show you that also. So when you go to the dashboard, here you can see all the details. Here you can see in the practitioner phase only 5% of the account is the profit target. So $250 and I had achieved it. You can see over here my equity $5,266. That is 5.34%. So I passed that challenge also. Here you can see all the stats. I basically only taken 2 trades. First was in loss due to some reasons. I had explained it in my previous videos. And the second one is $297. So basically you can say that in one trade only I had completed the challenge. So yeah, here also you can see all the stats. So now let me show you the funding pips on trading or charting software. So here it is. So yeah, you can see it over here that it is the charting software, and here you will get all the details, like you can search any symbol from where you can trade, where you want to place the trade, and here you can see some popular pairs in which you can trade, and here is the chart. You can analyze it over here if you want, or personally I analyze in the trading view software, so you can do that also. And when the now it's Sunday, so the market is closed. The market is open. You can see a sell option here and buy option here, and you can also set a limit order from there also. So yeah, this is the interface of the charting software of funding pips. So now let me go to the dashboard again. So here you can see various sections like new challenge. You can take new challenge also. That means if I'm trading a 5k account and I want to take a 10k account, I can do that with a new challenge, and I have to pay the fees and I can trade in the 10k account also. The next is the payout section. When you will pass both the test and get a live account, you can request a payout over here. So and here is the competition section, the leaderboard section, calendar, and so this was basically the user interface of the funding pips. So yeah, that's it. So you can open your account in funding pips from the link in my description, and you can buy the challenge over here. And also, according to me, this is the best thing if you have a low capital or a small capital. So you can show your skills here and take the capital and take trade with them. So yeah, this is basically that for the video. So I will meet you in the next video, and don't forget to click the link in my description and open an account. I know I'm saying this again and again, but do click the link in my description and open the account. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you.